Hey everyone, welcome back to Car Alerts. If you're a fan of luxury SUVs that redefine sophistication and performance, then buckle up, because today we're diving into one of the most iconic vehicles in the segment, the 2025 Range Rover. This vehicle has always been synonymous with elegance, capability, and cutting-edge technology. But does the 2025 model live up to the legendary name? Stick around because we're about to explore every detail, from its exterior design to the luxurious interior, performance capabilities, pricing, and everything in between. Make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and let's get started. Pictorial. Starting with the front end, the 2025 Range Rover continues to make a bold first impression. The grille has been updated with a more intricate mesh pattern, giving it a modern yet stately appearance. It's flanked by sleek LED headlights featuring Range Rover's signature digital light technology, which offers exceptional brightness and a striking design. The front bumper is sculpted with precision, integrating air intakes that are not just functional, but also contribute to the vehicle's refined aesthetic. The hood slopes gently towards the front, emphasizing the car's commanding presence while maintaining a clean and uncluttered look. Moving to the side, the 2025 Range Rover showcases a perfectly balanced silhouette. Its long, clean lines are uninterrupted thanks to flush door handles and seamless window designs. The proportions are spot on, with the SUV's length, height, and width blending harmoniously. The large alloy wheels, available in sizes up to 23 inches, are a standout feature, offering a variety of elegant and sporty designs to suit your taste. Whether you choose the standard wheelbase or the extended version, the Range Rover maintains its signature stance of quiet confidence. The side profile also highlights subtle details, like the contrasting roof options and integrated side vents, which are functional as well as visually appealing. At the rear, the 2025 Range Rover delivers a minimalist yet luxurious design. The LED taillights are set within a darkened trim, giving them a floating appearance that's truly unique. The rear window seamlessly blends into the tailgate, maintaining the vehicle's uncluttered aesthetic. The split tailgate design is as practical as ever, making it perfect for loading cargo or setting up a tailgate picnic. Beneath it all, the bumper integrates a hidden exhaust system for a clean finish. The rear is understated, but it's a masterclass in how less can be more when it comes to luxury design. Interior. Stepping inside the 2025 Range Rover feels like entering a five-star suite on wheels. The cabin is a sanctuary of tranquility, with premium materials covering every surface. You'll find options like semi-aniline leather, sustainable fabrics, and open-pore wood trims that ooze sophistication. The seats are not only plush and supportive, but also feature a massage function, heating and ventilation to ensure comfort in any weather. Passengers in the second row are treated to equally luxurious accommodations, with ample legroom and available reclining seats. In the extended wheel-based version, there's even the option for executive rear seating, turning the SUV into a mobile office or lounge. The technology in the cabin is cutting-edge, centered around the 13.1-inch curved touchscreen that houses the latest version of Range Rover's Pivi Pro infotainment system. The interface is intuitive, fast, and supports over-the-air updates to keep it future-proof. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come as standard, both available wirelessly. For audiophiles, the Meridian sound system with up to 35 speakers creates an immersive listening experience. Climate control zones, a refrigerator compartment, and ambient lighting with customizable colors add to the sense of luxury and personalization. The seats are designed to provide maximum comfort for long drives and feature advanced ergonomics. They come with built-in heating, ventilation, and massage functions for both front and rear passengers. The rear seats, especially in the extended wheelbase version, are where luxury truly shines. You can opt for executive-class seating with a power recline function, a fold-out work table, and even a footrest for ultimate relaxation. The cabin's spaciousness ensures that every passenger enjoys exceptional legroom and headroom, making it feel more like a private jet than an SUV. In terms of technology, the 2025 Range Rover introduces a fully digital cockpit experience. The centerpiece is the 13.1-inch curved Pivi Pro touchscreen, which is sleek, responsive, and intuitive. It supports voice commands and offers seamless integration with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, both of which are wireless. The second-row passengers get their own entertainment screens mounted behind the front seats, perfect for long journeys or when traveling with kids. Performance. Under the hood, the 2025 Range Rover offers a variety of powertrains to cater to different preferences. At the core is a refined inline-six engine with mild hybrid technology, delivering smooth and efficient performance. For those seeking more power, the twin-turbocharged VEIT engine is an absolute beast, offering breathtaking acceleration and towing capability. Additionally, there's a plug-in hybrid option that combines electric efficiency with Range Rover's hallmark performance, offering over 50 miles of pure electric range. This makes it an excellent choice for both city commutes and off-road adventures. Speaking of off-road capabilities, the 2025 Range Rover features the brand's terrain response system, which automatically adjusts the vehicle's settings based on the terrain. Whether it's snow, sand, mud, or rocks, this SUV is ready for anything. The all-wheel drive system, paired with advanced air suspension, ensures a smooth and controlled ride in any condition. Another standout feature is the cabin air purification system with PM 2.5 filtration and a nano ETT ionizer, which ensures the air inside remains clean and free from allergens and pollutants. For an added touch of sophistication, the 2025 model introduces a fragrance system that subtly diffuses premium scents throughout the cabin, creating a spa-like environment. Additionally, the Range Rover's focus on sustainability makes it unique. From its plug-in hybrid powertrain to the availability of eco-friendly interior materials, it caters to modern buyers who value luxury without compromising environmental responsibility. When it comes to pricing, the 2025 Range Rover is undeniably a premium product, but its price tag reflects the luxury and performance it offers. The base model starts at around $105,000, which includes an impressive array of standard features. The plug-in hybrid variant comes in at a slightly higher price point, while the top-of-the-line VEIT-powered trims can easily surpass $150,000, especially with additional customization options. While it's certainly an investment, the value lies in the unparalleled combination of luxury, technology, and capability that only a Range Rover can deliver. And that wraps up our detailed review of the 2025 Range Rover. From its striking design and luxurious interior to its powerful performance and cutting-edge technology, this SUV sets the bar high for what a luxury vehicle should be. Whether you're navigating city streets or exploring off-road trails, the Range Rover proves once again why it's a leader in its class. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to Car Alerts for more in-depth reviews and automotive content. Let us know in the comments what you think about the 2025 Range Rover and which feature impressed you the most. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.